In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank account to Vinted delayed. By the end, you'll have your payout method set up so you can move your earnings safely into your bank. Before we begin, make sure you have your bank details handy and that the name on your bank account matches the name on your Vinted profile. A stable internet connection will also help everything go smoothly. Start by opening your browser and going to vinted.com, then sign in if you aren't already. Once you're onto the homepage, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. It's the small avatar that opens your personal menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your account preferences where you manage things like privacy, notifications, and, importantly, payouts. Inside Settings, select Payments. This is where you control how you receive money from your sales. In the Payments area, look for Withdrawal options, then click Add Bank Account. You're now on the screen where Vinted collects the bank details it needs to send you your funds. Enter your account details carefully. Type the account holder name exactly as it appears at your bank to avoid verification issues. Depending on your country, you'll be asked for an account number and sort code, or an IBAN and BIC. Take a moment to double check every digit before you continue. Typos can cause failed transfers or delays. It's best to use a personal bank account that accepts incoming local or CPA transfers in the currency supported by your Vinted country. For transparency, Vinted may use a trusted payment provider to process payouts, and you might see their name on this page. That's normal and helps keep transfers secure. Once you've reviewed everything and it looks correct, click Save. You should see a confirmation on screen, and your bank account will now appear under Withdrawal options. When you withdraw your balance, Vinted will send the money to this account. Transfer times vary by bank and region, but a few business days is typical. If a transfer takes longer than expected, it's often due to bank processing times or routine checks. If you don't see the payments section, make sure you're signed in to the correct account and using the right regional version of Vinted. If the Add Bank Account option isn't available, check that your profile information is complete and that you meet any payout requirements in your country. And a quick privacy reminder, keep your bank details secure and avoid sharing screenshots that reveal full numbers. That's all you need to add a bank account to Vinted. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need a refresher.